Hey bebe, hey bebe, hey bebe, hey bebe, hey bebe, hey bebe, hey bebe. Fresh na fresh ako. See, bagong ligo. Wait, I'll just set up the camera in a steady mode. Yeah. So, ouch. Hi, be. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, 18 na ka. Masigulang na sa kuha. Hey. Paspasa, no? It's like high school years. Bata pa ta. Chuy. Saba. Video mode lang ko. Kaya sure ko, di ko kag-greet personally. Kasi, it's your debut. It's your day. It's your busy day, and who am I to be there, right? So again, happy birthday, be. Padayon sa pag-uswag sa kinabuhi, hinaot unta malipayon ang dagat. Char lang, Bisaya kayo ay sunggo. Anyways, dili jud ta mag-uban, so I'm making my speech through this. I'm so damn genius. But it's sad. Isn't it sad, little cat? Yeah. He's also sad. We're both sad. We can't be with you in your special day. So, anyways, happy birthday again. Happy 18th birthday. You're such a great girl. So fun-packed, cheerful, and yeah, stay bitchy. Yeah, char lang. Hi, pe. Ba? Thanks for being a great classmate before. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for, yeah. Salamat sa pagiging friend. Thank you. Salamat ko kay nagkailag ka. Right? And I've got here our yearbook, which is nothing. Ipakita na ko imong naong high school. So here you go. Jamila Christine T. Munoz. March 26, 1991. Older than me. Yeah. I'm gonna get this. Wait. Look, it's your face. And it says here that you want to be a great chef, executive, and a fashion designer. That's a great ambition. It's kind of blurred, right? So, yeah. And remember this? Yeah, diba? You said that, diba? Ang other half, ani kay, we've got our own copies, then we putol it to put it in the biodata, whatever. And I've got this, and you've got the other half, and which is the other half is me. So, you said na it's gonna be sumpay and soulmates. Char lang mo. I know. Yeah. And remember this? I bet you don't remember. Look, Q, and it has something here, and I'm gonna read it for someone special. It's February 9, 2007. You said, wow, cute kayong sticker, no? Huy! I'm gonna read it with expression. Damage naman ni na pics, boy. Sensya na jud kay was nailain. Ow! Hala! Dalakis naman ni na pic, diba? Ha. Valentine gift na nako, ha? Ay, Valentine gift nako, ha? Bantay lang ka. Keep this, ha? Peasy always. Love lots, jams, and too many smiles up here and over there, and some cranky little ones. Kissy, kissy. Char. And I don't know what to do next, so I'm gonna put it there again. Yeah. Ay, wala no. So, happy birthday again. Salamat kay sa tanan, sa friendship, sa time. Kailan na to and all the stuff. I know it's kinda emotional. Yeah. Be, happy birthday, Miss Older Than Me. And it's your debut. Oh. Is it debut? Yeah, never mind. And yun, happy birthday lang. Wish you happy birthday and good health and some other common wishes there, and love life. Okay lang ko na ako, char lang. Huwag kabalo ko, di ko ni mo option, so and happy birthday. Daog, ang pingkalmente. Love you, bet. Happy birthday. Bye.